Romania's healthcare budget, 1.2 million euros, is one of the lowest in the EU, being followed only by Bulgaria and Serbia. This translates into lots of deficiencies inside the system and many widespread diseases nationally. One of the most severe diseases caused by germs and by the lack of proper hygiene conditions is infectious diarrhea. Globally, this particular disease kills 1.4 million children. Child mortality in Romania is one of the highest in the EU, 9.8%, 30% being due to infectious diseases. The aim of our campaign was to create correct and responsible cleaning and disinfection habits among kids, to ease the educational process and create innovative means for kids to properly understand hygiene. We encouraged children to understand that disinfection is the best prevention tool. The strategy of the campaign was to educate children about proper hygiene matters, both personal and collective, through their mentors. In doing this, the Ministry of Education needed a partner for the project implementation, a leader on hygiene and disinfection market, which is DOMESTOS. For DOMESTOS, the partnership became a good endorsement and offered a particular authority when implementing and communicating the project. The project started in 2010 and in 2 years it was implemented in more than 630 schools all over Romania, reaching 100,000 children. With such a large number of kids, parents and teachers involved and great feedback from each of them, the ministry asked for DOMESTOS support for another edition which finished in the 2012 summer. The campaign targets children from preschooler to gymnasium and offers each of them the possibility to learn about hygiene and disinfection with games and activities dedicated to their age group. This method became very dear to children, asking the teachers to replace their old educational system. For every edition we focused on stimulating their powerful imagination. For motivation, we have sent materials to help them develop the project, that is 100,000 age-appropriate packages. This year's edition focused on the most important 10 Romanian cities. Kids in kindergartens had to create a story on hygiene, while the children in primary schools had to create a mascot hero made out exclusively of recycling materials. In secondary schools, teams of 50 students had to create a campaign for raising awareness on hygiene, being coordinated by a leader of their own age. Before that, we selected the 200 leaders from all the schools involved and trained them for 3 days on the importance of hygiene and also on campaign planning. Children, together with their parents and teachers, uploaded the results of their project on www.zeromicrob.ro. For voting, kids involved their parents, their relatives and their friends, creating a huge buzz around the project, even on social media. Only for this year's campaign, there were over 11,500 materials uploaded on the website. The coverage of the project was really good, that is 330,000 euro in media value and 16,630,000 readership. The site traffic in 20 days during the voting and the judging was very high, 280,000 visits, 140,000 unique visitors, 775,000 page views. The number of votes for the projects was also high, 188,871. The project was very popular among parents. 90% of them heard about the campaign, 95% considered the campaign messages relevant for them, 85% said that this campaign had a high influence on their behavior on hygiene. Among teachers, 96% think that the campaign has achieved its target and consequently 94% think the campaign should be continued.